start the prize distribution. And before we do this, we would like to introduce our today's guest. We are very happy and glad to have Ms. Nadia Anwar, Honorable Chairman and Founder Member, Board of Trustees, AIUB. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Nadia Anwar. We are also glad to have Professor Dr. Saiful Islam, Honorable Vice Chancellor, AIUB. Professor Dr. Muhammad Abdur Rahman, Pro Vice Chancellor, AIUB. Professor Dr. Manjur H. Khan, Honorable Proctor, AIUB. Ladies and gentlemen, now we would like to move to the prize distribution and going to start with all the individual achievement. And for this, I'm requesting Moshumi, Player of the Final, Female Category. Player of the Final, Female Category. Moshumi, Player of Inter Miami. Player of the Final. Next is Player of the Final, Male Category. And the Player of the Final is Sharbik from Borussia Dortmund. Next is Rising Player of the Tournament. And for this, I'm requesting Shabab from FC Barcelona. Mr. Shabab from FC Barcelona, Rising Player of the Tournament. Next is Best Goalkeeper of the Tournament. And for this, I'm requesting Mr. Rabit from Borussia Dortmund. Excellent performance throughout the tournament. Excellent performance. Best Goalkeeper of the Tournament, Mr. Rabit from Borussia Dortmund. Next is Best Defender of the Tournament. And for this, I'm requesting Mr. Alamin Kagoji from Atletico Madrid. Mr. Alamin Kagoji from Atletico Madrid, Best Defender of the Tournament. Next is Top Goal Scorer. And for this, I'm requesting Mr. Sharbik from Borussia Dortmund. Next is Player of the Tournament. And Player of the Tournament is Mr. Moin from FC Barcelona. I'm requesting their captain to receive the award on behalf of Mr. Moin. Next is Team Trophy. And for this, I'm requesting first runner-up, female category, Real Madrid. I'm requesting the captain, also the team members of the Real Madrid team, to receive the trophy. Next is a champion from female category, and the team is Inter Miami. I'm requesting team captain, also the member of the teams, to receive the trophy. Next is fair play of the tournament, and for this I'm requesting Real Sociedad. I'm requesting the team, also the player of the team, to receive the trophy, Real Sociedad. Next is second runner-up of the tournament, and the second runner-up of the tournament is Atletico Madrid. I'm requesting Atletico Madrid team to come up on stage and to receive the trophy, second runner-up. Second runner-up of the tournament is Atletico Madrid. Next is first runner-up of the tournament, and the first runner-up of the tournament is FC Barcelona. I'm requesting team captain and the players to come up on stage to receive the trophy. The first runner-up of the tournament, FC Barcelona. Next is champion of the tournament. And the champion is Borussia Dortmund. I'm requesting the team and the player to come up on stage to receive the trophy. Congratulations, Borussia Dortmund. Three, two, one. Congratulations, Borussia Dortmund, champion of AIB Champions League 2025. Hello. Now I'm going to announce the names, those who truly deserve appreciation for their hard work and dedication for the events organized by Office of Sports with the support of Office of Student Affairs. I'm requesting the volunteer teams to come up on stage, and for this I'm requesting Meme, I'm requesting the volunteer teams to come up on stage, and the volunteers are Meme, Saif, Apurva Mulla, Ajhar Masood, Tahsinul Islam, Abdul Rahman, Akhor Binnash Borua, Talha Jubair Jihan, Bappi Juardar, Nazmus Sakib, Muhammad Afzal Barbes Polok, Khalid bin Reza, Abdul Rahman, Shams Muhammad Ishraq, Apon Chakma, Mohaimin Shikdar, Samia Rahman, Sarwar Jahangir, Fahim Muntasir. Next, I'm requesting Mr. Mushfiqur Rahman for his excellent support throughout the tournament for live broadcast. Now, next is for his special support. I'm requesting Mr. Manik, Shahib Ali, Mr. Alam, DJ Fahim, DJ Siam. Next is commentators, and for this I'm requesting Mr. Humayun Kabir and Apu Dewan. Next is now going to announce all the player of the match, and for this I'm requesting the player of the match to come up on the stage, and going to start with match number 1, and the player of the match is Mr. Sharbik. Mr. Sharbik. Match number 2, Mr. Royce. Match number 3, Mr. Rabbi. Match number 4, Mr. Deep. Match number 5, Mr. Promojit. Match number 6, Tamjid. 7, Islam. Match number 8, Mr. Rohan. Match number 8, match number 9, Jihan. Match number 9, match number 10, Ali Shahed. Match number 10, Ali Shahed. Match number 11, Shumon. Match number 12, Mr. Shetu. Match number 13, Mr. Mahir. Match number 14, Mr. Sakib. Match number 15, Mr. Rabbi. Match number 16, Moin. Match number 17, Sami. Match number 18, Kabir. Match number 19, Mr. Akkas. Match number 20, Mr. Tosin. Match number 21, Shudipto. Match number 22, Tanjim. Match number 22, Tanjim. Match number 23, Alamin. Match number 24, Shopno. Match number 25, Abrar. Match number 27, Nibir. Match number 28, Mr. Rajib. Match number 29, Sakiur. Match number 30, Mahmoud. Match number 31, Farooq. Match number 32, Mr. Riyad. Match number 33, Tahan. Match number 34, Mahin. Match number 35, Rifat. Match number 36, Labib. Match number 37, Abrar. Match number 38, Rafi. Match number 39, Siam. Match number 40, Ridoy. Match number 41, Rudro. Match number 42, Khalid. Match number 43, Riyad. Match number 44, Mahin. Match number 45, Taki. Match number 46, Fardin. Match number 47, Faisal. Match number 48, Toha. Match number 49, Istiak. Match number 49, Istiak. Match 50, Shabab. Match number 51, Ali. Match number 52, Prince. Match number 53, Tahsin. Match number 54, Rois. Match number 55, Tarek. Match 56, Fardin. Match number 57, Mithu. Match number 58, Shabab. Match number 59, Rabid. Match number 60, Bijoy. Match number 61, Rahi. Match number 62. Now I'm requesting our referees to come up on stage. And for this, I'm requesting Mr. Bikash Sarkar. Next, Jahangir Alam. Next, Shojib Hussain Bipu. Next is team medals, and for this I'm requesting runner-up female category. I'm requesting the player of Real Madrid, Moushumi, Moon, Margaret, Prima, Orunitha, Anika, Nafisa, Laboni, Porshi, Sabrina, Kotha, Fariha. Next is champion team female category. And the players are Samia, Moushumi, Moon, Margaret, Prima, Orunitha, Anika, Nafisa, Labanno, Porshi, Sabrina, Kotha, Fariha. Next is second runner-up male category. I'm requesting the Atletico Madrid team. And the players are Tanjid, Ali, Naim, Mehdi, Mithu, Kagoji, Gulam Rabbi, Abu Sufyan, Tarek, Farooq, Mithun, Jakaria, Rabir, Sohan, Fahim, and Oyon. Next is first runner-up male category. I'm requesting FC Barcelona. And the players are Mr. Naveed, Sijal, Shanto, Amit, Ahnaf, Fahim, Hisham, Novo, Amanat, Mashrafi, Moin, Rajib, Ronnie, Jihan, Shabab. Next is a champion team. I'm requesting Borussia Dortmund. And the players are Mr. Sharbik, Istiak, Mahtab, Mim, Ifti, Rabit, Rahat, Siam, Sadi, Asif, Simon, Riyad, Rahi, Omid, Rudro, Mumitur. Now I'm requesting all the teams, first champion team, first runner-up, second runner-up, both from the male and female category to come up on stage for a group photo. I'm requesting the teams for a group photo. I'm requesting champion team, Borussia Dortmund, runner-up team, FC Barcelona, I'm requesting the teams, champion team, first runner-up, second runner-up, fair play, all the teams to come up on stage for a group photo.